Dog. Go on it. There are three things that I use in my shop, and I use on a consistent basis that I just could not live without. Now, what they are CA glue. This is an activator. It makes the CA glue just turbocharges it, makes it set up a lot quicker. And this right here is a debonder, and this debonder is for mistakes when you accidentally glue yourself to something that you hadn't intended, okay? You'll want to have a debonder. Now I'm going to show you how each one of these work and why I like them. That's what this is for these kind of situations where you glue something together that you had intended, like your thumb to a piece of lumber. Well, this deactivator or this debonder, you just squirt it on the area that you need to debond, like so, and then you just allow it to work its way in, moving that thumb around a little bit. Need to add a little bit more. Until you work your way free, and then you should go, if you get it on your skin, you should wash your skin with warm soapy water. Now, in addition, sometimes you might want to reposition a joint that you just didn't line up perfectly, and a debonder is a great way to do that. Now, one of the reasons why I keep CA glue in my shop is sometimes I'm working alone and I could use a second pair of hands. And I just sometimes need to stick, wood together long enough to get a nail in it. And I've got some scrap wood here in the shop here. Okay, and it doesn't take very much. And I'll just take that and I'll put it there, okay? And what I will tell you is that will be bonded together in probably about 60 seconds. But check this out. Sometimes that's not quick enough for me. Now I have two pieces of baseboard here, and I want to join it very quickly. I don't want to wait a lot of time. I'll take my CA glue and I'll run a little bit along the edge here. And then I will take my activator here, and I'm going to spray the mating part. And I'm going to join the two together. So now I'm not really worried about the strength of the joint because, well, I'm going to be nailing it later, but it sets up very quickly when you use an activator. Now what I will say is this. When you use an activator, it's not as strong as if you just use the CA glue on its own. Because when you use CA glue, there's a little bit of time where the adhesive, it soaks into the pores of the wood. But the moment you use an activator with CA glue, it stops that process instantly. So you're not going to get the same kind of holding power when you use an activator than when you just use CA glue by itself. I hope you found this video helpful. Next time you have a gluing project around your house, consider having a debonder and activator along with your CA glue on hand. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.